Welcome to the WebLedger. All these different modules to ease your business daily. But what if you don't have the time to dive deep into all of them? Well, we have it sorted for you. Dashboard is the exact thing that you need. Click on to the dashboard once you log in and you can view all the key metrics on one screen. We have default metrics defined here. For example, this calendar helps you track all the due dates. Right next to it is the key business metrics where you can define all the total clients, what are the total invoices and how many are unpaid out of them. There's a My Notes section where you can create notes for yourself and a recent activities section which can be filtered based on the usernames or can be viewed for all the users at the same time. This helps you track what activities are going on real time in your organization. We can choose to hide this widget if required. As soon as I log in, I have an attendance in option here. Once I click it, it starts counting my work time. And when I want to log out, I simply have to click on the out button here. Right next to it is a settings button. Here is where you can customize your dashboard based on all the widgets that you require. Here are different widget categories that are defined for you. Default widgets as we discussed. Client widgets that you can add segregating clients based on their service. Invoice widgets where you can choose to see firm-wise invoice summary or the overdue bills. Let us go with the overdue bills for now. Workboard widgets, you have a lot of options here. Task overview, task stage overview, priority-wise task details, today's task, what are the subtask overview, what are the communication details, maybe also the total completed task details. Next is the DSC widgets. You can select a widget to ensure that you are showcased the DSC expiry alerts on regular basis. And comes the revenue widgets. You can choose to show a revenue matrix or a service-wise revenue matrix as well.
After you've selected the widgets that you require, simply close the tab and this is how your dashboard looks like now. With all the updated details for you to analyze and make quick decisions. You can also organize it the way you like. Simply drag and move.
This will help you enhance your decision making on a daily basis and run your business super efficiently. Thank you for joining in at the WebLedger office.